Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create and use sections in Microsoft Forms. So first, go to your Forms and in here, go and click on this plus sign button. Then from the choices, go and select section. And now you'll have another section. And to use those sections, you can go to the first one. Here, you can input a title for that. And on the left side, you can go ahead and click on this image icon. And now you can add an image or a video if you'd like to. Now, go and click on the plus sign button. And for here, you can select text so that you will be able to add any question that you want. Then, you can choose a long answer for that question. And you can also make it a required one. Now, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign button again. And for here, you can choose choice so that you will be able to add in a question that has options. Now let's go to the other section. For here, you can also add in a name for it. Then, click on the plus sign button so that you can choose from choice, text, rating, Likert, ranking, date, and net promoter. Just choose one based on what you need. For example, is this Likert 1? Then you can also add a rating, ranking, date, and such. Now you can go back to the top and in here, you can click on these three dots for more settings so that you will be able to duplicate, remove, and move section as you'd like. For example, I'm gonna move this section and change their arrangement. Once done, click on the Done button. Now, you can go ahead to it and add a branching for a section. If you go to this Go To section, then click on this drop down, you will be able to choose a branching for that section. Once done, you can go back, then you can preview it to see how your form looks like. And that's just basically it. That's how you create and use section in Microsoft Forms. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.